new toy out here today. I bought this last week. It's a DJI Mini 5 Pro or something. It was not mini in the price, I can tell you that much. But it takes really good video, so just gonna have a little experiment with that. Driving around the Sonic Wake. Let Brock drive it for a little bit, then I'll fly it for a bit, and we'll probably never see it again.
Don't say that.
I know. Alright, so you ready to take off, Brock? Don't get hit by that spray. Try and pass it. Put it in the other mode then. Whoop. I don't like it when you say that, Brock.
I was looking for you on the screen.
Last bump. I'll stop and you just go right there, go down near it. I'll just idle. Maybe keep the safety one on.
Really?
Yeah, put the safety one on. Can you go lower though?
Can't, but it looks pretty good.
Does it? I'll come towards you fast. I'll come towards you fast. Oh, you got it in the middle here. Plowing down.
All right, we must have been having a bit too much fun with that drone then, because we didn't film pulling the lid off like we normally would. But you wouldn't think we would need to, but we should have, because this motor was actually, and it still is a little bit warm, there's still temperature there, but it was actually quite hot. And all we really did with it was just cruise around and just do a couple of hard pulls every now and again. But for the most part, it was just at easy cruising speed. So I couldn't actually hold my finger on there for, well, comfortably, I could hold it on there, but I couldn't comfortably hold my finger on there for about 5 seconds. After that, it was really starting to burn me a bit. And even the cooled part under the jacket here was still really hot to the touch. So not sure what's going on there. I've blown through the lines, nothing's like blocked up or anything like that. But yeah, it was just it's not happy. I know 10S isn't really what this is designed for, but you'd think putting around, it shouldn't hurt it. But everything's still free, like you can see that. So I don't think we've heard it or anything like that, but I know people have heard them.